Assalamu friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Steam Deck OLED which I purchased from noon.com, and if you buy from Noon you can use the channel's code OFT so you can get a cash back. And the version that I have here is 512 GB which comes with the glossy screen, but that 1 TB version has etched glass display, so I prefer the glossy screen over the etched glass, and it is also cheaper compared to the 1 TB model. So here in the box we get our charging adapter, which is 45 watts I believe, fast charger, and the cable length is also good in this one. So as you can see, USB type C cable. We got quick start guide which we don't need actually, so let me put that to the side. So let's take it out of the plastic, and here is our pull tab. You can pull this to open the box, and it comes with a really nice carrying case. Here is the lock. I will cut this. It was really difficult to get this off, so I cut it with the scissor. Now let's open the case. And here is our Steam Deck. Now on the front we have 7.4 inches 720p display with 90 Hz refresh rate and OLED panel, and as you can see it has a glossy finish which looks very good. And the back we have our buttons which you can configure. Here on the top we have power button, type C port. So first thing first guys, let's put a screen protector on this beautiful 7.4 inches OLED display. I put screen protectors on all of my devices, that way the screen is protected and you don't get any scratches on the screen. So let me just put it. We get wet wipes, and we have a microfiber cloth, we have dust remover. So let me just open this first. I'm not going to show you the whole process how to install, because I know it's difficult to do it on the camera. So these are the initial steps that you can do. First use the wet wipe, and then you can use the microfiber cloth. So I've already installed the protector, and it looks like there's nothing on the screen. The quality of this protector is very good. So as you can see, on the top we have power button, USB type C, and we have triggers. The triggers on this is amazing guys. And on the bottom we have a micro SD card slot, and on the back side we have vents, and on the top we have vent as well. So the design is amazing guys. It's very comfortable to hold compared to Nintendo Switch. We'll be comparing it with Nintendo Switch in the future video. So let's play our first game, GTA 5, and we are using very high settings and high settings. So in settings I will be showing you in a few minutes. And on top we have our frame rate graph. So I logged it to 60 FPS for a smoother gameplay, and VSync is on. And guys, trust me, the performance is amazing, and OLED display is amazing. I wish you can see that in person, because on the video it will not do justice. So let me just quickly show you the settings. Some of them are very high, and as you can see, MSA is off, very high, high, mid, normal. And shadows quality I set it to normal because it gives you a really good FPS boost. And advanced graphics setting is turned off. But still guys, graphics look amazing, trust me, and the gameplay is very smooth. And if you told me 5 years before that you can run this on a handheld, I wouldn't believe you. I know there are other handhelds like Asus ROG Ally, but that can run this game better, and a lot of games better. But trust me guys, I really like OLED display. It is my personal preference. And the battery life is better compared to Asus ROG Ally on Steam Deck OLED. So as you can see, it looks very good. The gameplay looks amazing, and I'm really enjoying it actually. So the buttons and the triggers is also very good, and the analog sticks are also very good. And the second game that we have here is God of War, which is a very demanding game and very hard to run, but still you can play this on Steam Deck OLED, and you can lock it to 40 FPS. I will show you the settings in a few minutes, and it looks very amazing guys. As you can see, there are few frame rate drops, but nothing major. You can easily enjoy and you can easily play this game. The colors, I'm really impressed by the colors guys. So let me just show you quickly. You can lock it through this shortcut menu. You can lock the frame rates to 40 and you can enjoy this. So let me just go and let me go into the settings and show you the graphics settings. As you can see, we are using, some of them are low settings and some of them original, which is comparable to actually PS4, and it is still performing a lot better than PS4, original PlayStation 4. So still 40 FPS is 100% playable for this AAA game. Honestly guys, I'm really amazed by the performance that you are able to run a AAA quality game in a handheld. Is really amazing. And the bezel, as you can see, the bezel is very nice. It is very thin compared to the Steam Deck LCD version. So I'm going to be making more videos. If you want to see a specific game, let me know in the comments down below which game you would like to see. One is 100% playable. Now let's test another game, Witcher 3 next gen update, and I also logged it to 40 FPS, and look at the graphics guys. Beautiful graphics guys, amazing. I'm really impressed by this handheld. Honestly, I've played this on Switch as well, and in Switch it looks very blurry and the texture quality is very downgraded, but here you can play at 40 FPS, which you cannot even do in PS4. I remember when it launched on PS4, there were major FPS drops and it was going into 27 FPS, and now you can play this at 40 FPS locked in these settings. So let me just quickly show you the graphics settings. As you can see, we have some settings is set to high and most of them are on low. As you can see, some of them are high. So these all are low, but still guys, graphics looks amazing and 100 times better than Switch. So I will be comparing this handle to Switch in the next video. So let's run around a little bit, and trust me guys, it is a lot better than mobile gaming. If you are into mobile games, then it's your personal preference, but if you are into PC gaming, and this is the one to get guys. This device, I 100% recommend you to purchase this. The processor that they are using is AMD Zen 2, which has 4 core 8 threads and RAM is 16 GB. So the performance is amazing guys, and this noise, the fan noise is also not that high, which I've noticed, even though it is running a very demanding game. And on the bottom, as you can see, I put a 512 GB SD card from Samsung. The game is on SD card as well, so still running very good. And the internal storage is 512 GB. You can expand the storage via SD card or you can put an internal SSD. I'm really impressed by the display, and the buttons and triggers and analog sticks are very nice, and it is very comfortable to hold compared to the Switch. So here is our UI. Looks very good. Steam OS, it is running on Steam OS, which looks very good. It is very similar to console experience, so you can switch that to the desktop mode as well. So let's quickly switch to desktop mode if you want to use it as a laptop or a mini PC. It is using, by the way, Linux, which is very good, and you can install Windows on it, but I prefer Linux honestly. And I'm really liking the touchpads guys. All handheld should have this touchpads, so you can easily navigate. So let me open the browser, and the OS is very fast, very fluent. As you can see, it has 90 Hz refresh rate, so the scrolling is also very smooth. So let me just play a video. You can use the touchscreen as well if you like. So the colors guys is amazing. As you can see, very vibrant colors. The colors really pop in this one, in this version, especially the glossy screen. I'm really liking the glossy screen. Thank God I didn't buy the anti-glare screen version, but that depends on your personal preference guys. I honestly don't like anti-glare screens. So here is the 4K video. Let me set it to 1440p. And the display quality is outstanding, guys. Colors really pop, looks very vibrant. It is 720p, but still it looks very crisp and clear. And you can connect this to your external display like TV and monitor. So thumbs up for Valve for making this device. It is very awesome, and the touchscreen is also very good in OLED version, as you can see. So guys, I'm gonna be making more videos on the Steam Deck OLED. Let me know in the comments down below which video you would like to see in the future. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.